Okay, let's start with this simple example. Not too difficult yet. And we want to find everything. We want to find the center, we want to find the vertex, foci, length of major, length of minor, and of course try to sketch the ellipse as well. Okay, basically if you can find all of the information, you can draw the ellipse very, very well, then you are okay with this topic. Okay, so now let's sketch it first. What information can we get from here? Your a squared is 25. So your a is 5. I recommend you write down your 2a as well, 10. Because this normally people forget that this is your major axis length. Now what about this one here? B squared is 9. B is 3. 2b is 6. I recommend you finish to write them down, 2a and 2b. Okay, is this vertical or horizontal? Why is it a horizontal? The long one is over here. So it's a horizontal ellipse. What about for the center? What is the center for this case? Is there any H and K? So the center is 0, 0. Are you okay? Now what about for the foci? What's your value of C? Do you remember how to find foci? The formula is C squared equals to A squared minus B squared. Not plus, okay? So which one should you take? 25 minus 9 give you 16. So C equals to, should I take plus minus 4? Should I just take 4? Well, I don't think it's much of a difference, because I can say that I want to take C as a length, so I want a length is positive. Although you can say a negative displacement give you an opposite direction. I don't care much about it. Okay, now let's try by using all of this information, try to draw the ellipse. Okay, firstly we know it's a horizontal. Are you okay? Last, am I too fast? Or do you want to try it by yourself? Not yet. Okay. So the center is 0, 0. Let's call this your major vertex. The center is 0, 0. Are you okay? What other information should we write? Well, I like to find the vertex. Where is the vertex? The distance is 4, right? The vertex is on horizontal or vertical? No. Sorry. What about the foci? C is foci. It's horizontal. What's the distance here? 4. Another one is? Now, okay, can we find the coordinate for the foci? This one will be 0, 4 or 4, 0? Be careful where you add them. I don't recommend memorize, but check out. I'm moving in the x-axis. So this one should be 4, 0. And this one should be negative 4, 0. Very good. Now what about for the vertex? This one here. This length is how much? 5. So it will be, vertex is 5, 0. Just be careful, you'll be fine. What about here? Same as well, 5. The vertex here, negative 5, 0. What's the length of the major axis? Major axis 10. Are you okay? Now what about here? What's its length? It's 3. So what's the point here? The coordinate there. 0, 3 or 3, 0? 0, 3. Be careful with it. 0, 3. Now what about here? 0, negative 3. It's not that difficult. Just be careful. Now, what about this length? Minor axis 6. Very good. And we are done. So if you can draw all of this, you'll be pretty much quite fine for this topic. Is it that difficult? No, it's not difficult. You just need to memorize all of these things. Inshallah, you'll be quite fine. Okay, the next one I'm going to try. You're going to try it by yourself. Do everything, but this time x plus 4 169 squared, x plus 4 squared, sorry about it, plus y plus 3 squared 25 equals to 1. Okay, I'm going to give you some tips. What does this plus 4 and plus 3 means? That's of your position of your center. So your center is equals to negative 4, negative 3. Am I right? Yes. Because the formula is essentially x minus h. X minus h, y minus k. So your h is negative 4, your k is negative 3. Now, without me helping you, sketch the ellipse and give me everything. All the information that you can get from there. Alright, on your own. Okay, so these are the crucial information that you need before you can go further. Alright, center is negative 4, negative 3. Viewers, you may try by yourself. Okay, so I'm going to try. This is horizontal ellipse because this is longer. Negative 4, negative 3. Shh! Class, okay. Alright. It's a, why is it a horizontal? The long one is over here, and the center is negative 4, negative 3. The major axis where? Horizontal, very good. What about the foci? We got ourselves 12 here, right? So 12 plus to where? X or Y? X, so 12 plus negative 4. This F is 8, negative 3. And what about here? I minus here. Negative 60, negative 3. What about this vertex? 9? Negative 4 plus, oh yeah, 13. Don't get it wrong. Very good. 9. Negative 3. Let's go write down V for short form right now. There's another V over here. Negative 17. Negative 3. Are we done? We are not yet done. What's the whole length? Major axis 26. What about here? Negative 4, negative 3 plus 5. 2. Sorry, negative 3 I write down differently. That's right. Hey, negative 4. Come on. My brain and my mouth are not working that well. What about this one? Negative 4, negative 3, minus 5. Okay, are we done? One more thing. Minor axis. 10. This is why I want you to write down 2a and 2b. I've seen students who did not write that down and they mistakenly write down the major axis as the square instead. Alright? So that's why I want you to finish write all these three information. Okay, if you got this far, congratulations. Okay, so we are running out a bit of time, so I'm skipping the vertical ellipse sketching, so we go to here. This is a bit advanced. Alright, we were told that the center is 1, 3, one focus is 1, 6, one vertex is 1, 10. They are changing in the x or they are changing in the y? The value, they're changing in the y, alright? So if you try to start them, the center, let's say, there are too many marks over there. Kind of the same. Let's start here, the center, 1, 3. Where is the focus? Left, right, or up, down? Up, very good. 1, 6. And one vertex here, up, down, left, right, up, and up again. Okay, by this information, can you tell me what type of ellipse am I having right now? I'm having a vertical ellipse, very good. So my ellipse is going to look something like this. I try not to be as potato as much as possible. Alright, so what other information can we get from here? I can find this line, right? This is what? What is 3? The C is 3. Very good. And what about there? I can find here 7, which is the A is 7. Are you okay? Alright, but if I want to draw an ellipse, let's write down the formula first. The formula will be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to 1. The long one will be under which one? X or y? Why? Because it's vertical. A squared, B squared. What information have you got so far? Do I know H and K? I know H is 1, K is 3. Very good. Do I know my A? Yes, I got A is 7. Do I know my B? I have no idea yet. So how are we going to find B? How are we going to find here? We do not know any vertex over there. Very good. C squared equals to A squared minus B squared. Do I know C? I know there. So C 3 squared. Do I know A? Yes. 7 squared. The only thing I have no idea is my B squared. So I can transfer it around. Whoopsie. B squared, 7 squared plus 3 squared, 49 plus 9, 49 plus 9, 58. Am I right? 49, right? Oh, minus, shit. Trying to go too fast. 40. So, B? Yes, you can say it's a set 40. Are you okay with that? So now we try to put them back into the information. So x minus h minus 1, good, squared, plus y minus k, 3, negative, squared. Alright, done. 1, a squared, 7 squared, 49, b squared, set 40 becomes 40. Very good. Woo. Of course, you can finish up the rest, such as what's the length of major axis? This length, well, 240. What about this length? 14. Alright, I believe you can solve the rest by your own. That's all for today. Thank you very much for listening. To the viewers, please comment, share, like and subscribe. And congratulations, tepuk tangan. Thank you.